What up, everybody? Welcome back to the show. As you can see, we are now heading into week 6, our matchup against Cal on the road. We are coming off a huge victory over rival Virginia Tech at home. That was a big bounce back after the disastrous loss against USF. So moving forward, we put that loss behind us. We're 4-1. We're number 15 right now. Already got our recruiting done for the week. I'm going to do it a little different from now on. I'm going to jump straight into the game, do the recruiting afterwards. I don't want to bore you guys on the front end with that stuff. But yeah, let's head into this game now. All right. Got the kickoff, so we get the ball to start the second half. Okay, 1st and 10. Let's see if they're going to be run first like I expect. Oof, man, he was left wide open. Almost broke that one. Got to be careful. Let's go cover 3 sky. Oh, they're going to run the hurry up. Let's see if I can slow that down. Would prefer not to give up an opening. Oh, nice. Great job, Kiko. I was hoping to get that block there, but that's okay. Second play of the game, big pick. By the way, congrats to Kiko for being named preseason All-ACC. Definitely well-deserved. In my opinion, one of, if not the top run-stopping linebackers in the entire country. Definitely in the ACC. So, let's start with the run. I know there's a couple of guys that are at risk of transferring because of my style of play. I need to throw the ball a little bit more, but of course winning is more important. Let me establish the ground game first. I will throw the ball. I need to hit like an average of 275 passing yards a game if I don't want CC Maui Noah to transfer, and I definitely don't. And 3rd and 1. We're definitely running this again. And oh, there is a huge hole there. Hopefully it stays. Yeah. Oh, Nez just destroyed somebody. Here you go, Coop. Let's see if Martinez matches up with a linebacker here. I think he did, and of course I get sacked immediately. Yep. It's the problem with play action. You got to get rid of the ball quick. If it's a slow developing play, you know what? Pass protection. Oh, there it is. That's something I really haven't messed with yet, is the sliding the protection. All right, got some yardage back. I got to do that a little bit more. If I see, if I'm going to do a play action, or if I see guys are blitzing or might blitz, I got to do that a little more. I got to mess with the protection again. All right, there you go. There you go, Horton. First down, baby. See if we can hit him on the other side. There's George. Let's see if that slot corner follows him. Did not follow him. Great job. Nice spin move. Get some yak. First down. Now we'll hit them with the running play. Soften them up, spread them out a little bit, sideline to sideline. Let's go right back up the middle. Trader slipping underneath there. I like his route a lot. Oh, by the way, I found out, see those little flame icons above their heads? I found out recently that those are guys that if they blitz, they are unaccounted for. If they blitz, it doesn't necessarily mean they are blitzing. Touchdown. Let's go. JoJo Trader with 6. And we are up. Oh, no. Almost shanked that one. Woo. That was close. See what I mean? Even on extra points, if you get it up to the red, you could shank it. You're honestly better off just stopping it like there, just to be safe. So yeah, I find out a little bit more about those icons. When you see a letter M pop up above somebody's head on defense, that means he's the mic. Obviously. And then there's also the P. I forgot what that was. I saw it. I read it somewhere and I forgot. Oh, wow. Yeah, let's just run around everybody. That is terrible. All right, I got to make some big adjustments on defense. They are definitely just knifing through my secondary. I don't like that. Yeah, definitely going to have to drop people back in zone. I might have to take control of some of those safeties. Okay, I like Horton's route. That dude on Trader might blitz, and there's no blocker. So let's mess with the pass protection a bit. Half slide. Yeah, let's do half slide right. Maybe we'll get a piece of that guy. All right. Beautiful. Definitely going to be messing with that slide protection thing more. I'm glad I remembered that. Okay, there's the mic. Boom. Oh, come on, Jacoby? Yeah, that dude on McCormick might blitz, or not. Yes! Nice adjustment. All right, we spread them out again. That's good. This should be another touchdown. Let's see if we can get Chris Johnson a 6 here. Yes! What? Wow. I thought I was in for sure. Okay, no problem. Play by type. We're not going to mess around here. Let's go halfback sting behind that left side of the line there. I got Jalen, I got Inez. They should help me bulldoze my way in. There we go. Oh my God. Oh, that was me. That was my fault. Didn't see him at all. Did not see him at all. You know what? That's the last time I take control of a safety. All right, I guess a shootout it is. They're blitzing for sure. Yep. All right, there it is. First down. Let's go no huddle. What was the play I just hit? Yeah, why not? Let's take a deep shot downfield. I'm going to have Trader running out, though. Actually, no. Let's have him run a streak. Yeah, I like that. Touchdown. Yes. Got it right back. Okay, this time I know where I'm supposed to be. Yes, picked off. And 6. Nice. Oh. I'll do cover 1 robber again. Let's get some pressure off the edge here. Dude. I mean, my secondary is Swiss cheese today. I don't know what the deal is. Yeah, just drop back. Yep, just keep it all in front of you, man. All right, that's an improvement. Let's see. Yeah. Good read. Had to come down and get the receiver on the drag route. Left him open. Good throw. Yeah, good play. Good play. Trader. Yeah, you were running a straight streak, my friend. 7 seconds. I got this. Break it. All right. All right, end of the half here. Got 12 seconds to go. Hopefully they don't get close enough for a field goal. Knocked it down. Okay, not bad, not bad. Let's go 4 quarters. All right, nice open field tackle. Make them call timeout. Now we gotta go prevent. No problem, no problem. Nice, great job. Way to end the half. Nice pass rush by Alston there. Got the sack. Now we go into the half, up 7. All right, not bad. Not the game I wanted to have on defense for sure. This is one of those games that's just, I mean, every other play feels like a score. So let's see, 208 passing yards. All right, I'm in good shape on that passing stat. Remember, I need to keep that above 275. All right, nice big chunk play there. Did he make it? Yes. Nice catch, baby. Nice catch. First down, first and goal. All right, ball security, ball security. There you go, touchdown. Ooh, nice hit. Oh, come on. All right, 3rd and 15. We'll mess around here. 4 quarters. Great job by Bain getting some edge pressure there. Let's see if I can do it again. All right, knock that down. There you go. Great job, great job. God, I love how in this game you can really fit it into those tight windows. I love it. Ward is up over 300 yards. So I did my job there. Hang on to the ball, 2 hands on the ball. There you go. Chris Johnson have a nice little day. Ooh, risk of injury severe. Okay, let's be careful with him. Hopefully they pulled him out. Yeah, it's Martinez. Good. Should have juked left. I don't know why I juked right. Okay, it's only 4 down linemen. I should be able to steamroll them on this play. Yep, that was correct. It is now officially a blowout, folks. It got dicey there. It got dicey there for a minute. But we're good. Up 21. Nearing the end of the 3rd quarter, about 2 minutes to go. Let's see if our defense can keep locking it down here. Fourth quarter. I mean, it's already over, but throw our 4s up anyway. Let's see, I am number 15 right now. Kansas, Texas, Oregon. Did it say Arizona was number 5? Okay. Hit that hole. Hit that hole. Oh, 4th and inches. Are you kidding me? We are going to run. Yeah, I might as well just do a QB sneak here. No one on the center. Yeah, thank you. First down. Easy pitch and catch. First down. Okay, 3rd and 3 here, 40 seconds to go. I know they have their timeouts, but I mean, it doesn't matter. This should just about do it. All right. They're probably not going to use them, so let me just go ahead and let's take that knee. All right, good victory, boys. 42-21, 3-touchdown win. Nice, comfortable feeling heading into that fourth quarter. That's what I want to see on the road. Got our player of the game, Danny Martinez, 61 yards. I think he had a bunch of receiving yards too. 3 touchdowns for him. And I know Cam Ward had a big day, so great job all around. All right, everybody, there you have it. A big victory against Cal on the road. We are now 5-1, 2-0 in the conference, but we got a big road game coming up, a big test against Louisville. I know from experience playing against Louisville in this game already, they are tough. This will not be easy. This will likely be a very tight game, so looking forward to it. Should be a fun one. Until next time, guys, please go down, hit the like button, subscribe, share with your friends. Until then, go Canes.